TP-Link has announced the launch of a new mesh connectivity solution for the home that comes to complement its current mesh systems such as the Deco M6 but adding new features for the smart home. This is the Deco M9 Plus, a tri-band kit that offers a speed of 400 Mbps and 2.4 GHz and 867 Mbps in each of the 5 GHz, achieving a combined maximum of 2200 Mbps. Based on a quad-core Qualcomm CPU, each node has MU-MIMO and Beamforming technology covering an area of up to 233 square meters, with the initial kit of 3 units covering an area of up to 70 square meters. The fundamental difference with the mesh equipment of the brand of previous generations is found in the possibility of this M9 to function as an intelligent connected home hub supporting the protocols Zigbee HA 1.2, Bluetooth 4.2 and the classic IFTTT recipes. The nodes can control devices such as light bulbs, plugs, thermostats, switches, movement and presence sensors already existing in the home, without using any additional hardware. For this we can make use of the application for iOS and Android Deco app developed by the brand.